Welcome to the Sellbrite overview and product demo. I'm Mike Eugenio, co-founder and CMO here at Sellbrite, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of what Sellbrite is, who it's for, and why it's different than other solutions on the market. In a minute, we'll jump into a demo of the software so you can see just how easy Sellbrite is to learn and use. And after that, we'll answer any questions that you have to make sure Sellbrite can help fit your needs. So what is Sellbrite? Sellbrite helps retailers build, manage, and grow a multi-channel e-commerce business by giving them a smarter way to automate listing, syncing, and shipping for their online sales channels. We're going to show you many of the ways in which Sellbrite automates these things in our product demo in just a minute. Who is Sellbrite for? Sellbrite is for brands and professional retailers who already sell on one or more online sales channels. If you aren't yet selling online, Sellbrite might not be a good fit for you just yet. Only after you've launched and learned your first sales channel should you consider a multi-channel tool like ours. That will make the learning process much easier since you have a foundation to jump off from. The benefits of using Sellbrite are powerful. You will increase sales and profit, reduce costly human error, and save time on tedious tasks that can be better put to use growing your business. So why specifically do retailers use Sellbrite? We help them perform 5 different jobs. List inventory on multiple channels. With Sellbrite, you can easily create listings on your sales channels from one central inventory catalog, giving you more exposure for your products to reach more customers. Sync inventory to prevent overselling. Overselling is the #1 problem for multi-channel sellers, and Sellbrite greatly reduces that risk by updating all your sales channels as orders are taken. Automatically update listings. Creating listings is just the first step. Ongoing maintenance and management of your listings is made much easier with our bulk tools. Ship multi-channel orders. Sellbrite offers several fulfillment options to help retailers get orders out the door, including a built-in USPS integration featuring the lowest rates possible, a tight Fulfillment by Amazon integration, and access to other 3PL solutions. Gain valuable insights. Without good reporting, you're flying blind. Sellbrite not only offers reports on your business performance, but also actionable to-dos to help you stay on top of any immediate needs that inhibit your growth. So what's different about Sellbrite? It's faster and easier to get started than any other system. Our sync times are among the fastest in the industry. We go deeper than other solutions, offering more features on a per-channel basis. We're easier to understand and use than anybody else. We focus on security and stability over any feature. You'll never have to worry about a data breach. And finally, our support team is the reason you see 5-star reviews everywhere on the web. We truly do care about making you successful. If you like what you see in the product demo that's about to start, we hope you'll consider what just 1 year with us can do for your business. Sellbrite retailers are seeing amazing growth in a short amount of time. And now, let's take a tour of the software so you can see firsthand how Sellbrite will be of value to your daily workflow. Welcome to Sellbrite. Sellbrite helps you build, manage, and grow your multi-channel e-commerce business. In this video, we're going to show you the different jobs that Sellbrite does for you to help automate your business, as well as just how simple Sellbrite is to use. Because we've designed our system to be compact and efficient, everything you can do in Sellbrite lives in just these 5 tabs and a little bit in settings. Our ease of use is the main reason eBay chose Sellbrite as their #1 multi-channel management tool. Sellbrite helps you with listing, syncing, and shipping. But before we jump into those jobs, I want to quickly touch on the setup process for Sellbrite and what you can expect. We'll cover this in more detail in the Getting Started with Sellbrite webinar, but it's important to know that we make setup as fast and painless as possible. All you need to do is run our setup guide, which will help you connect your sales channel accounts, and Sellbrite will import your listings from each channel. Then build your inventory with quantities, and finally link everything together so that you can start keeping inventory in sync immediately. It's important to us that you get value from the system on day 1 of your free trial. If you're looking to switch from another system to Sellbrite, there isn't much to worry about. Because Sellbrite pulls data from your sales channels to get you set up, the only thing you'll need to do is turn off syncing in your other system, once you activate your Sellbrite inventory and pricing sync. Other than that, there is little else you'll need to do, and there's rarely a need to move data over from other tools directly. One of the primary reasons retailers choose Sellbrite is to help them list products to new sales channels. After your inventory is built in Sellbrite, you can list products to your sales channels from our Selling Manager. All you do is filter to select the products you want to list, say a given category of items, and list it on my Shopify store but not yet on eBay. And then you can list them to your desired channel. Sellbrite uses functionality called recipes, which allow all of your pre-saved settings and preferences to be applied to each draft listing as soon as it's created. This reduces the listing process to 2 simple clicks: creating the draft and publishing. With your listings in Sellbrite, you can easily manage and maintain what appears on your sales channels. Whether the listings were created by you in Sellbrite or newly imported from an existing channel, you can leverage Sellbrite's recipe functionality to manage all of your listings. Let's take a quick look at what this means. Recipes are a collection of individual templates, which control things like category, title and description, pricing, etc. If at any time you want to make an adjustment to your listings, you can do so by simply adjusting your templates. For example, if you wish to change a pricing rule across some or all of your listings, you can do that by simply adjusting the pricing template. Here, we're adjusting the price up on our eBay listings by 10%. Or for another example, if you decide you want to add your manufacturer part number to the title of your listings on eBay, you can go to your title and description template and simply tweak the title formula. Once saved, any listings that use this template will update automatically. Perhaps the most common job Sellbrite performs for merchants is to prevent overselling by keeping inventory quantities in sync. Sellbrite's rapid inventory sync lets you put the quantities you have available from all locations up for sale on your sales channel. Sellbrite syncs quantities as quickly as every 12 to 15 minutes to ensure all recent sales activity is reflected on your channels. Inventory quantities are added to Sellbrite from several sources. You can manually input quantities into the system, either individually in the interface or in bulk using our inventory import. Sellbrite also connects to Fulfillment by Amazon to pull in quantities automatically, so you can use your FBA inventory to take and fulfill orders from other channels. If you work with another inventory tool that you want to be the source of truth for your quantities, you can feed those quantities into Sellbrite using our inventory APIs. API documentation can be found at developer.sellbrite.com. Each sales channel in Sellbrite can be customized to reflect the inventory rules you desire. Your available warehouse locations can be enabled or disabled on a per-channel basis. You can also set rules to show a maximum quantity available on your channels, which helps drive sense of urgency and improve conversion. You can set a minimum if you're always able to fulfill an order. And lastly, percentage rules let you show partial inventory to a channel, effectively creating a buffer if you get low. For example, if my rule is to show 40% of my inventory and I'm down to my last 2 units, Sellbrite will end that listing, which is good for your slower sales channels where you don't want to risk overselling. Sellbrite offers several options for fulfilling orders from your sales channels. The built-in USPS integration gives you immediate access to the lowest rates available online. Orders can be fulfilled in multiple shipments, if, for instance, you are backordered on an item. Sellbrite offers the ability to create invoices and packing slips, pick lists for your warehouse team, and USPS scan forms, which will make your local USPS driver very happy. For more robust needs, Sellbrite integrates with ShipStation, the leading fulfillment software. Sellbrite's Fulfillment by Amazon integration also allows you to automatically fulfill orders from any channel. Lastly, for merchants looking for an FBA alternative, Sellbrite integrates with other 3PL options as well. Speak with your onboarding manager for more info on our other fulfillment options. The last job that Sellbrite helps merchants with is to better understand what's happening with their business. This begins with the dashboard, which is your jumping off point for using Sellbrite each day. On the dashboard, you'll see your total sales and some high-level metrics of performance, so you can stay informed of how your business is going. You'll also see any to-dos that the system advises you to address at the moment, such as listings not linked to your inventory, unshipped orders, unread customer messages, etc. The dashboard to-dos are a means for systematically improving the overall health of your business so you can increase sales. Below those, you'll see an activity tracker, which shows you all of the data syncing that Sellbrite is doing in the background, so you know that the system has got your back. Sellbrite offers a few reports as well that can help you see performance more granularly. Our sales by time and sales by SKU reports let you get performance data down to the individual item level. Low stock reports show you items that are running below the thresholds you set. And order exports let you get access to all of your order details, including shipping and tax, so you can update your accounting records. Sellbrite helps you perform the job of several team members, allowing you to save time, increase operational efficiency, reduce errors, and drive more business. For more questions about available functionality, speak to your onboarding manager or visit our help center at support.sellbrite.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch our demo. We hope you'll start a trial and see for yourself why so many retailers love Sellbrite. Plans start as low as $49 per month after your trial. We also have special plans available for high-volume FBA sellers that won't penalize you for your Amazon FBA sales.